Miss Bling, my for warn you the other day, come here, you say, yeah, them trigger me, them say, you say I'm spreading allegations on the man. I understand that a woman that would know that their man in their house sleep with their child and remove them from the home instead of removing the man, I don't expect anything better from you. I don't expect anything better from you, Bling. Right now, you're looking for a place to belong. That's why you had to come to TikTok. My friend them will run you off of Instagram. Remember me, you have to tell the people them say, fake followers you did buy over Instagram enough. Them go up on your page right now and go through there. You sit up here 1,000 followers and this and that. Remember say there's all fake followers. You have 20K followers and what, 30 likes?
What's up, viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to Drama Official TV. So, viewers, I am going to share part of Momo live stream where she went and she's live. And boy, she come out with a whole heap of things about Miss Blinga. But we don't listen to the first part of the video, right? Where she, she has sent a strong warning to Blinga. But anyway, these allegations that I'm hearing, are they true or are they false? We don't know. But me just want to listen to what Momo have to say because there's a lot of things apparently Miss Blinga have a hide and Momo seem to know a lot what is going on with these people on social media. But she also saying that Miss Blinga, she's on Section 8 and she getting food stamp. No, I used to hear Miss Blinga say she have her husband in the military. Momo is saying that is her son who is in the military. Yeah, we know that. But apparently now she has say Miss Blinga have no husband at all in the military. But people may just want to listen to what Momo say because it's a whole heap of things. A whole heap of shocking information. But remember to like the video, comment on the thoughts down below in the comment section. And boy people, remember to subscribe to the channel.
Me and Uno is not the same. So Miss Bling now, come I turn informer this year. This a year of justice for people. And me are the people them voice. We the people, right?
Yeah.
You're there on Section 8, Miss Bling. You're on Section 8 and you get food stamps and you get Medicaid. You're on TikTok every day begging people.
Oh, she married and they on Section 8.
Married to what?
With the bumbo clout. This we see her, she show one picture and she
You
one man
you never hear when RT Barlow said the man divorced her a long time. The guy that was in her house was in an article because he was involved in a shooting. The same guy that touched her daughter when they wanted to remove the kids from the home.
You see it and them say about the husband. Them mix it up.
Like, Bling, don't you have a son in the military? Are your son you call your husband? Come on,
Them say the husband and the son in the military.
So don't you I don't know, you guys come to TikTok. I'm not gonna get distracted, Bling. Let me tell you what, I'm gonna get down to the nitty-gritty. I said it on Instagram. Bling, you're on government assistance, right? True. And you come over here and you beg every day you have a new blood clot bill. And you're really not a bill. Cause you know you rent about $100. Living at the projects. O'Neal put up where you live already. I'll show everybody in the apartment them. You're there on Section 8, Mama. That's why you have all of them pitney there, cub up in a little apartment. I mean, I said, no, my kids, they could never. My kids, them a ball out in a 6-bedroom house. Never they on Section 8. They don't know what that is. From you run my social, them will laugh after me, tell me go on about my business. COVID, I got food stamps for my kids. Because every child got COVID. Because the government have to spend a certain amount of money on lunches per child in the county I live. And they send out food stamps to them. I get about, I think, $6,000. I'm going to give to the whole of my family and tell them to swim around the car and buy food and them something because I'm never used to it. I can't talk my business. I said it several times on that. So, Blinga, you're on social media, right? You're collecting Cash App, Zells, and you're on TikTok. You know that every income, even if it's $1, you're supposed to report to the government and let them know that you're getting? Blinga, do you know that it's illegal what you're doing right now? Does the government know that you're getting money from TikTok and from people every day? Do you know you're supposed to report those things? Do you know that it's illegal right now if I make a report, that's fraud? And the only reason I hesitate because those poor children will be on the outside or taken away. Blinga, do you know that if a family member give you $2, you're supposed to report to the government and let them know? Because the only reason you can get Section 8 and certain assistances is because you are low income and you don't make a certain amount of money. Let's have this conversation.
So how she
Blinga.
work? You should have on Section 8.
Because you can only work a certain amount of hours because you have
Oh
to have a certain
yeah, for
income.
two, for
So
two.
Blinga, no, so remember you're on TikTok every day, it's
Massive, big up your good pussy self, little girl.
so it's documented. No, Section 8 is the same thing. Housing, same thing. Once you're getting any type of assistance, cash, food stamps, Medicaid, anything. I'm a taxpayer. I'm a fucking Republican. I know all this shit. Because we, the people who pay taxes, have to contribute to this blood clot. Want to know what this is? There's people who really have, that will really need the help. We cannot get the help. On a love target the people with no papers and talk about border at. Me see them a come the better than blood clot. Uno will sit down pan on nobody all these years here. Me see them a place and I do what them supposed to do. So Blinga, in New York, when you have children, they will give you everything, but you still have to be on a certain income. Blinga, are you letting them know all these monies that's coming in? Are you letting them know all the money that you're collecting? Because all I have to do is just start setting off the read screen records.
But she know
That's all
how
I have
you
to do.
stay no Momo.
I know the law to the back of my hand. I keep telling you motherfuckers this. I'm from New York, Blinga. So what I'm suggesting, what I said loud on the other day, you see the next time me here say I'm spreading allegations on this man, I'm going to report you for fraud. Because I was easing up on you because me say, you know what? I don't feel the kids them false, so them mother big and blood clot, worthless and dunce and redundant and looking for a place to stay, a place to belong. Carti bring you down here still and I'm court till I talk about me and the allegations.
Mm.
Before you shut up and sit back. So Blinga, I'm gonna say it to you out loud on TikTok because I did it on Instagram. Remember, you have a different life over here. You see, the next time somebody screen record and send to me that I'm having allegation, and then me hear Baga TV say you're big stinking old talk about if you did want me pan your panel, me could have come on your panel. Blinga, you're itty boo. Stop ramp with my name here. Don't even call Momo, yeah? Don't even call me name, dirty girl. Depend which panel with you after me say you send off your pitney over man. You idiot girl. Me and you will never depend no panel.
Lord
You think say
God.
me and them itty boo ya will look clout dirty girl? Me a warn you, Blinga. Tamika. Because what you're doing is illegal. And I see y'all try to bring down people and act like they don't have no substance. There's a lot of people out here that's working their 9 to 5.
Area and she dey pay ya beg for money so like dog. Somebody said there's many recordings of her. There are many recordings of asking for money. Look what they did to Queen
Listen,
in England. Area.
I keep
You know me
telling
no
these
want go on
people,
section yet?
when uno play with me, geez, you don't have no pitney, you're not gonna qualify for certain things. You'd have sit up on the list there forever.
Mm,
Them
mm.
no people will get it when need help, you know, but when you have kids, they'll give it to you. They'll give it to you. So right now, that's why I hesitated the other day when she pissed me off when me hear she talk about me could have come on her panel if she didn't want me to. Blinga, look how much time you ball up my name and you can't move me. I itty boo. I'm not a follower, I'm a leader. And I'll always stand on my own. You do anything for clout. You make a man you make people disrespect you over and over. And when it's your business, you block them. When it's your business, you block them. But you want them in everybody business. But few one come on, you block them. You say, oh, Mary, come back up there and sit down with you. And Mary knows so she tell the truth about you sending away the little girl. Me also she style you. Cause them screen record and post it. So all when Charlotte gimmicks you on the live, I say, but Blinga, you don't look like that in person. You're not no shame, dog. You don't have no shame, dog. So what I'm warning you now, I just tell people what I'm gonna do ahead of time. I don't know why nobody ever believes me. I don't
Until you
go
do it.
around, you know.
Until you do it.
I'm very barefaced because reporting fraud or telling a lie on a person, especially making federal report, is perjury. That's a felony. I don't have any felonies. So RT, I'm still waiting you to send. Balling out that I have 13 charges and felonies is a felony. intimidating a witness from stop talking is a felony. Because I'm telling you, I'm a volunteered witness. I'm the one that recorded the boy talking.
Jesus.
I'm a
And
volunteer
if
witness.
you, hey guys, if Momo knows say I lie this and I make them make it up, do you think she would take it to the government?
You think I'm gonna let anybody cheese you saw my ball over my pitney the other day when I graduate?
Yeah.
Cheese my ball all day.
Proud mother, big up yourself, Momo.
Cheese, I've never missed a graduation, a certificate ceremony. I've never missed anything. Everything me, this year mother don't miss nothing. So you think I was gonna jeopardize myself over dog shit and clout? So Miss Blinga, I'm gonna warn you again, cause if you're smart, you just fall back from my name. And watch the show to see if it's real or if it's not real. I talk my own business. I talk my own business. I do not support any child anything when it comes to certain things. Even when it comes to trauma. Even when it comes to verbal, mental, and certain words abuse. I say it all the time. As a child, a lot of people, adults, said things to me. And said I wasn't going to be this and I wasn't going to be that because of the mother I had. I don't play with children and I remember how it made me feel. So I'm going to warn you again, Bling on TikTok now, because I did it on Instagram. You live different over here. I am going to make a report because this is year of everybody I get exposed with truth and justice.
And so if your
The
name
ones
is
that
spelled
are
Momo
supporting
Truth and
RT,
Justice.
yeah. The ones that
Change
are
the name,
supporting
Momo Truth
RT
and
Boss,
Justice.
Nardo Smith,
Yes.
and saying that I'm lying against him, I'm saying it publicly. I'm going to make y'all feel one by one. Better y'all dress back and just shut the hell up. Because if the government took that voice note and it's good enough evidence for them, who the hell is y'all? So every time y'all call my name and think y'all gonna intimidate me, the one them at Jamaica, RT report, you can follow them from Jamaica. But the one them are foreign, tell them to just dress back, cause me not really too ramp with them when me know them real business. So Tamika, are you letting New York City, housing, IRS, Medicaid, food stamps, those are three different departments, four. Are you letting them know of the extra income you're getting off of
On
this?
TikTok. Right.
Because I
That
know I just
visa, the
drive
black
Uber.
never take them free nothing. Try get it, but it too long
I
for
drive
pay.
Uber and I make $40. No, I'm see them try bring you down when they talk about your back up $11,000 I rent. You're supposed to. Current
But I'm
expenses, I
doing
know
that
ya.
car right now.
No,
Not even the one shot deal. Me no want me have a social, so me can get
let
any.
me tell you something, Cheese. Right now,
Right,
you're supposed to bankrupt. You're supposed
right.
to because
The
for them
biggest I
rent
will do it in
$100.
America.
For them rent $100 a month because the government to pay
Oh,
everything
I buy one at
else.
18, me love.
When you're not on Section 8,
1800.
so you're supposed to back up cheese time hard. Every
God.
day me I see people homeless on the road when me I drive Uber. Cause my state different and I come like New York. You can't live in anybody else past 30 days in the south. Then put you out within 60 days. The things outside. Me got through depression in the house for 6 months. And me get evicted not because I didn't have the money. I threw me just in the house, depressed you fuck. Me I'll have to pay for go back in the same house. That's documented. When me say all of my furniture, I don't want to take more than lady at $2,500.
Yeah.
I may have to spend 8 grand and go
Not the
right back
best
in the house the
landlord.
next
No
day.
pussy test, Larry. Larry, God bless you. Big up the Jews, them. Because them no money
Okay.
hungry, a blood clot. Me
So
glad
when me
nobody else. Me a him a the right landlord me get.
so here what
$11,000. Me
so
not tell you no lie. $11,000, you know. And me tell you this, guys, I'm
but cheese and them
almost
love boast
debt
the most cause them know
free
why.
right now. And that me
They
tell you,
know
I'm
why.
almost debt free. One blood
They know
clot
why,
Larry to the
cheese.
board.
Cheese, them a get 100. If you pay $100 rent, Section 8, you have to live certain. First of all, I never
Thanks
wanted
to
government
Nassif, cause
assistance.
mama you big me up with the
Oh,
and trust me, me I ride cute, cause that have to help go for my little part to big up everybody to a gift me. Cause me not gonna
yeah.
make it seems
All the
as
little
if
turnaround,
we not do nothing, we
all
not
the
do a
people that
little
will
thing
support them
to
over there
big up
retarded,
on
you
the
know.
blood clot self.
Okay.
And one on one and everything come together that make it good for me. You
Then
get
when they're
me?
ready, they want to turn on
You know
and style
much
the
but
same
we have to
people them
give God
will send
thanks.
them gift.
Thank you
They want to
so
turn on and style
much.
the same people them will send them gift.
Never
And I
let her
pop so
promote.
right now, Uno over there, Uno is contributing to dog shits.
Right.
Anybody who is supporting RT Boss right now, I'm here to call my name like Uno try to intimidate me. Once to live a foreign and me know in the real life, I go deal with it one by one. And that's
Mm.
it. One by one. So when you not bother about, oh, we are going to RT for bring you down. I dare you, do it. Do it. I'm not going to threaten no. I'm not going to argue with him. No, notice I'm not argue. That's why I must think I'm afraid of him. But Momo stop talking because she gets cease and desist. RT,
I just want the argument die out and you could have
I
deal in a
want
blood
your...
clot and say that so good girl come with lying story. And we have a blood clot make she know say bitch don't come take the eat off for RT. No give nobody RT name cause we know a lie you tell or. RT are the biggest gripper man about the place.
Chill.